It rained for 2 days. That was also the forecast, so I knew it was coming. And I used the time to revamp the website. I wasn't happy with it. Take care of all the bookings. So I haven't done anything for 2.5 days. And you know, the rain, it's not very comfortable, of course, to go in and out and in and out. So let's see. Take out the rock. And I plan to be able to reuse some of the concrete that's coming out. But it depends a little bit on the depth I can reach in that corner. Right, coffee first. Cold, it's really cold. We gotta restart. Yeah. Comes away, but it's pretty tough. All right. All right. Yeah. Piece by piece. Well, most of the concrete I have to use a sledgehammer. The other machine is not strong enough. Well, I wasn't sure if it was a good idea to take out all the concrete first, but I just don't want to see any more concrete. Unless it's the one that I poured myself. And rebuilding the floor. That's okay. Take out the pipes, then the stones, and the rest we will see about that. Huh? Huh? Yeah, not such a bad idea after all. I can do some cherry picking. The small ones, most of them are of no use, but the big ones, especially if they have a nice front, straight, flat top, yeah, they can be reused. So, and this material, well, exactly what we need to fill it up. The only downside, have to bring it away again. Hey. I need about 30, 32, so it's not a lot. Wow, wow, look at those stones. Impressive, so big. Work of art. Stones are out, there's just rock left, and I need to go another 10 centimeters at least. The only constraint is that we have another cold front coming, and it's possible that it might snow tomorrow for a couple of days, so I'm not sure. We'll see. You know, taking the things out with a wheelbarrow in the snow. But on the other hand, not sure where I left that. The right depth. Just that here we need. Not even that much. A little bit there. 5 centimeters. And then make sure it's all level. We'll see tomorrow. And then you think you're done, but the excavation is one part. Then I have to take out this wall because the original opening is there. And the nice thing about it is that I want to put either a double door or something else. The nice thing is that it aligns with the window above. So that would be, that's really nice. And then that window down there, you can actually see it from the outside. But this was really a barn, and I suspect that this was the original opening. Couple of cows, pigs, but I'm gonna leave that and just take out this. You can see the line here too, and then put a door in to the sauna. Yeah, so the work grinds to a halt. Light snow, rain all day, some time to concentrate once more on the designs, the light plan. I'm gonna have 2 showers, 2 bathrooms, sauna. There are some reinforcements to make, and I have to call my plumber, because that's the first thing we have to do. I hope he has time, they never do. So, thanks for watching. Hope to see you again next week. And I hope it doesn't snow and rain for too long, because you cannot work outside. The garden is muddy, really muddy. Good for the trees and the plants, but not to work.